A viewer gave me an idea. The caveman steak that I did, where I cooked it just on the bare coals, did end up with just a little bit of grit on it. Um, he suggested, why not cook the steak on the coals till, about 100 degrees or so, and then finish it off in a frying pan with the butter. That way the butter would kind of rinse off some of the grit. And then a good friend of mine, Tim Sanner, gave me some ramp butter. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with ramps. Sure you are. Everybody's heard of ramps. They are, oh, look at that little bug, little beetle. Go ahead, take off. Oh, it's a lightning bug. You're out early, buddy. All right. Hey, you can do it. You can do it. Launch. There you go. All right, little distraction there. Um, so where was I? Oh yeah, ramp butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the steak to about 100 degrees on the coals, and then I'm going to finish it off in the frying pan with the ramp butter. That should be tasty. All right, let's see how it turns out. Now, you may not know this, but Tim Sanner was a stunt double for ZZ Top. I have it on good authority. Stunt double for ZZ Top. Okay, we got the fire going. I've got my middle grate in, and I'm going to put the coals right on the middle grate. And then I want to arrange them in such a fashion so that it'll have a flat spot, as flat as I can get it, for the steak to actually sit right on the coals. Okay, I've got a nice ribeye here. I'm just going to throw a little salt on it. Set it right on the coals. It just seems wrong, doesn't it? But it tastes so good. Yeah. All right, that's been going for a couple of minutes. Take it off, flip it over. Let it go a couple minutes on that side. What I'm going to do is I've got the ramp butter here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the frying pan. Get that ready. And I'm going to flip it again. Work it a little. Okay, so the thinner end's 95. Thicker end's still 85. You know what? I'm going to pull it off now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is put the frying pan on there. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and put the steak right on top of the butter. Actually, I'm going to arrange these coals a little better to facilitate the frying pan. There we go. Nice and level. Now, if this gets too hot, what I'll do is I'll put the top grate on and put the frying pan right on the top grate. Okay, the butter's starting to melt. You can see it's starting to ooze out around there. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, at this point, I am going to take this off, put the top grate on, and put the frying pan on the top grate. Because you don't want the butter to burn. Butter will burn easily That smells wonderful. I mean, it smells garlicky. A lot of people think it stinks, but you can't beat it. Yes. 105 in the middle. Smother it in the butter. $110. We're done. Take whatever butter we have in there. Pour it on the top. Set that off to the side. Close the grate. Close the grill. All right. Let's slice into this and have a taste. Oh yeah, take a look at that. I don't know which piece to have first. Looks good. Look at that. Nice. Tasty. All right, down the hatch. Oh my God. That is by far the best steak I've ever had. Gotta thank you, Tim. That ramp butter is perfect. All right, I gotta go eat this. Just have to do it. So I'm gonna leave you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. Who knows what we'll come up with next. All right, later.